All right, everybody, the blizzard of 2011. Here we are. Not a whole lot of activity going on, but boy, is there a lot of snow. Here's the house. Here's all the snow. Let's take a walk in the back here and show you what we have. Wow. Before my iPhone gets drenched. Believe it or not, our driveway was plowed today, and now it is snowing again. But that's a big mountain of snow we have in the back. Our our garage roof is pretty well saturated with snow. I got a big, well, it's kind of hard to see here. You got a big thing of snow. Anyway, this is what it's like when it really snows in Chicago or Highland Park, Illinois. Whatever. So, snow day today, and time to catch up on some stuff that I've been meaning to catch up on. But this is pretty sick. And oh, by the way, today's paper didn't come. Bye.